What is linear algebra? And why is it everywhere? Have you ever wondered how video games create those smooth, realistic 3D movements? Or how a computer solves hundreds of equations in seconds? Or even how your phone's camera knows where your face is? The answer to all of that is linear algebra. Now, that might sound intimidating, but stick with me, because at its core, linear algebra is actually a pretty elegant way to describe space, movement, and patterns. Let's start simple. A vector is really just a list of numbers, but it's more than a list. It can describe a direction, like an arrow pointing through space. If you've ever used Google Maps, you've seen vectors in action. They're how your location moves from one place to another. Now imagine a matrix. Think of it as a little grid of numbers. When you apply a matrix to a vector, you're doing something powerful. You might rotate that arrow, stretch it, flip it, or shift it somewhere else. In other words, you're transforming space. That's one of the big ideas in linear algebra: transformation. And it's incredibly useful. If you've got multiple equations, like two lines that intersect somewhere, linear algebra can help you find the solution fast. It's like solving a puzzle, but with tools designed to handle lots of variables at once. But the real magic happens when you scale things up. Linear algebra isn't just for math class. It's used in physics, computer graphics, machine learning, and robotics. It's how 3D models move. It's how algorithms process images. It's how AI systems learn from data. So next time you're watching an animated film, or using a navigation app, or even just unlocking your phone with your face, remember, there's a hidden language behind it all, a quiet engine powering the scenes. And that language is linear algebra.